So we've got the senior leadership of Guhring with us at IMTEX 2025, and we're going to ask them about some of the latest products and initiatives that's on display. So firstly, if you can just tell us about some of the unique things that you have on display for this year.
Yeah, as you know, Guhring India or Guhring globally is one of the largest manufacturer of round tools in the world. So we have ranges from HSS to carbide and from drills, taps, end mills and even taps. So we are one of the largest. We cater to almost every industry starting from automotive, aerospace, medical, fluid technology and all. And also electronics now.
Sustainability, sustainability is a huge word today. So if you can tell us about some sustainable initiatives that you have, launched in your company.
Yeah, sustainability is the latest buzzword, and everybody's talking about it. It's good that we need to build a sustainable business. It consists of a few things like circularity and also caring about the environment. So for environment, we are having a lot of initiatives, doing energy saving measures, putting up solar panels, and for circularity, we need to take back the material and circulate it for the raw material again.
So lastly, if you can talk about your India plans, what is the kind of growth that you anticipate? Any products in the pipeline? Any initiatives that you would like to talk to us about?
India is one of the important markets for Guhring globally, and India is one of the fastest growing large economy. Hence, we are also targeting good numbers and high growth percentage in India. To support us, we have the backup of very strong product range. We have more than 1 lakh standard products in our catalog, which is again one of the largest. Plus, we have a full plant in Bangalore and a service center in Pune to service and to make new tools in India. So, we are very aggressively banking on India and our customers to support us with their initiatives to increase productivity and help us to help them so that we can grow together in business.
Thank you so much for taking time of your busy schedule and talking to us. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, I'm Gautam Ahuja, Managing Director and CEO for Guhring India Pvt Limited.